Are you struggling to make money online? Have you tried all the free and paid traffic methods but nothing worked? Are you ready to give up after failing every single time you try one of those ridiculous methods? And if your answer is yes, then I will show you something right now that will kickstart your 2020 and turn it into a massive success. After that, you can get an unlimited number of people rushing to your website within 60 seconds. Which will get you traffic, leads, sales and affiliate commissions. Yes, real unlimited traffic and commission is finally possible. Without ever creating videos or writing content for SEO or building backlinks or spending all your money on Facebook and Google ads. Now you can drive thousands of real visitors, real people to any website, which is 60 seconds of work, and the best part is that you don't even need to have a website. You can drive traffic to any funnel, store or affiliate offer without any website and still make money with it. You want to know how is this possible? Introducing TrazeAll. A brand new cloud-based newbie-friendly automated viral system that drives red-hot buyers on 100% autopilot. That uses the power of viral referrals and social media to drive thousands of people to your site, fill your site with traffic and build you a massive email list at the same time. This is exactly what gets you unlimited commissions, sales and traffic without ever spending a dime on paid traffic. And this is not just talk, let me show you real proof. I gave early access to one of our students. He messaged me later that evening. He logged into his account, set up his campaign and then went to bed. Next day, he woke up to a flurry of email notifications. His phone was blowing up all night. Turns out, his TrazeAll campaign had caused his website to go viral. He had received over 450 new leads. More than 400 people had got into his sales funnel. And he had made $1,128 in one night. All this, while he was sleeping. Without doing any manual work. All he did was start a traffic campaign using TrazeAll. Yep, that's all he did. No matter what type of website you have, this software can get you traffic. Whether you want website visitors, email leads, sales or want to promote affiliate offers, this software works for you. JVZoo offers, ClickBank products, Shopify stores, email funnels, sales funnels, eBay stores, Warrior Plus offers. TrazeAll can drive traffic to anything you want. Now you want to see how this works? Let me show you. Once you log into the TrazeAll software, all you need to do is Step 1. Creating a campaign. Step 2. Select a type of traffic you want. Step 3. Push one button and drive floods of free traffic to any link, offer or campaign and watch your affiliate commissions explode. It's that simple. You literally never have to do any manual work to get traffic. Using this exact software, me and my partner Moshbury and Jason have generated over 200,000 visitors to our websites in the last 30 days. That has made us more than $100,000 in sales from our own products. We actually use TrazeAll for our own business. And that's why we can strongly and proudly recommend this to you. It works for us and it works for our students. It's time you got this for yourself. Whether you are an experienced marketer or new to internet marketing, you need traffic. The more traffic you have, the more money you can make, that's a fact. And if you are working your ass off creating videos, content articles, doing SEO or spending your hard-earned money on paid ads, you need to stop. All you need to do is get access to TrazeAll today and you can create amazing traffic campaigns that work for you, bringing you traffic, sales and commissions over and over again. You don't need a domain name. You don't need hosting. You don't need to waste money on ads. You don't need to create videos. You don't need to write any content at all. All you need is TrazeAll, and your traffic campaigns can be ready in seconds. Launch them and earn commissions without doing any hard work. Our aim is to make it super easy for anyone to get real traffic, real people, real email leads and sales from their websites. And we've made it so simple, your grandmother can use this to start driving traffic. And the best part is, you can create unlimited traffic campaigns, promote unlimited products or websites. You can use multiple campaign types and drive traffic to your sites or your clients. Take a look at all this traffic we got. All the traffic and email leads our students got. The real results reported by our early customers. All these commissions that were earned from a single traffic campaign. Without ever spending any money. All this is proof that this is the real deal, a software that actually delivers. Want to get results like these, without working hard and without wasting money on ads? All you need is to get access to TrazeAll software today with very special deal open for you right now on this amazing software, and you need to click on the link given in description to grab it before the price goes up. If you want to get results like these without working hard and without wasting money on ads, all you need to do is get your access to the TrazeAll software today. Traffic is essential for online business. If you don't get enough traffic, you don't have a business. It's time to give wings to your online dreams and start to getting real traffic so you can make real money online. Even if you're a stone-cold newbie, TrazeAll is designed to help you go from zero to profit real quick. With TrazeAll you can get instant traffic and commission in minutes from now. The doors for unlimited traffic are open for you. Take a step forward and walk with me. All you need to do is click on the link given below and get the benefit before this special offer's lost. Hurry up. Claim it now. Because the price goes up very soon.